Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make Luffa Egg Soup, which is also known as patola in Malay. After setting our stove into medium heat and some oil, now we are going to add some garlic and some onion. And 1 red chilli. Saute it all together. Now we are going to add a half handful of dried prawns. Now we are going to add our cleaned luffa. As you can see, we already have cleaned and cut our luffa. Before adding our tofu, we need to let our luffa to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Mix it together with our tofu, and now we are going to add 1 cup of water to make it as a soup. After letting the soup to boil, now we are going to add pepper, now we are going to add some salt as per taste to avoid our soup from being plain. After our soup has boiled, now we are going to turn off our stove. Now we are going to add 1 egg into our soup. As an important step, the viewers do not have to stir our egg into the soup. We just need to let the overheated soup to boil the egg by itself. This is the final outcome of our soup, and as you can see, the egg has been resulted in the way it should be. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it. Thank you for watching.